Is it time to buy or sell quantum computing stock? In this video, we're diving deep into quantum computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, 23rd, May 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May 2025, our system has ranked quantum computing as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.96. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 57.7% since we first identified quantum computing as a buy candidate 12 days ago. This results in an average return of 4.81% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be a pullback, support will be found at the ceiling of the current trend, which has been broken at $11.56. This level may present a second opportunity for profit. According to fan theory, $15.68 will be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 55.24% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 13.27% to 34.79%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 61.08%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 15.42% and 270.60% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $11.26 and $49.33. Our latest daily update for quantum computing includes the headline, High Volatility in Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $13.31. The Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price gained 10.27% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, rising from $12.07 to $13.31. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 26.77%, with a day low at $11.28 and a day high of $14.30. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 54.95% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 43 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 88 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.17 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $27.15, while the lowest price was 35.5 cents. Currently, the price is 50.98%, or $13.84, below the 52-week high of $27.15, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Shares of Quantum Computing Incorporated have experienced considerable upward momentum recently, with the stock rising over 7% this week alone. This surge occurs amidst growing interest and volatility in the broader quantum computing sector, even though it is not fueled by any major innovations or breakthroughs. A notable event was the grand opening of their new quantum photonic chip foundry in Tempe, Arizona, which is set to support their multi-phase growth strategy in quantum technologies and data communications. From a financial perspective, QUBT reported modest revenue growth in their latest quarterly results, accompanied by tighter margins and increased operating expenses. However, the company boasts a strong cash position with $165 million on hand and no debt, indicating a low immediate risk of dilution. This financial stability allows the company to navigate challenges while pursuing growth initiatives, which is crucial as they aim for meaningful revenue growth in the upcoming quarters. In the short term, the the recent increases in stock price may attract speculative investors, potentially further elevating QBT's valuation. Nonetheless, concerns linger regarding the company's ongoing cash burn and lackluster financial results. In the long term, the successful operation of their new foundry and potential market penetration will be vital in justifying their valuation and maintaining investor interest. Therefore, QBT's future stock performance will depend on effectively balancing growth initiatives with operational efficiency and financial health. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, it was reported that Ascendient assigned a buy rating to QBT, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to quantum computing stock. The price-to-earnings ratio has been rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio also receives a sell rating. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for quantum computing. Today's chart shows mostly positive signals. The stock of Quantum Computing Incorporated displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $11.62 and $8.04. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and to date, the stock has increased by 126.75%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, buy signal from 25 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 150 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 19 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for quantum computing. Quantum Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $12.87, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is known for its high volatility, with significant fluctuations throughout the day, and with a very large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band. It is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $3.02 between its high and low, which is a change of 26.77%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 16.65%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for quantum computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of September, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for quantum computing. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this case, you might want to consider entering a position and using volume to help determine when to exit. On the downside, quantum computing encounters its first support level at $12.87. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for quantum computing from various analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the second day of May in the year 2025, QUBT executed an insider purchase of 60,600 shares of stock options. On the 19th day of May in the year 2025, QUBT carried out an insider sale of 500,000 shares of common stock. Also, on the 19th day of May in the year 2025, StockInvest conducted an insider sale of 39,973 shares of common stock. On the 27th day of March in the year 2025, QUBT made an insider purchase of 2 million shares of common stock. On the 2nd day of April in the year 2025, McGann William J. executed an insider purchase of 1,080,069 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 91 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 35.816. In total, insiders acquired 61,386,871 shares and sold 4,031,418 shares in the last 91 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $12.84, reflecting a decline of 3.5%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which inherently increases the risk involved. Notably, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 24 days ago. Is quantum computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are positive and the stock has broken through its upward trend, suggesting a stronger rate of increase. This indicates that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Quantum Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 27th of May, we expect quantum computing to open lower by approximately 34.7 cents, starting at $12.96. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.